Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube training where I share with you the best ways to make money online that are working right now in 2021. Every week I search the internet and try to find the best offers to promote as an affiliate. So you don't have to create your own products or websites. You don't need to handle shipping or customer service. Now, if you're new here and that statement was confusing, let me repeat that. With the method I teach called affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products or wholesale them from China or even build your own online course or digital product. Because as an affiliate, your only job is to promote great products that are already existing, and you'll get a commission every time someone makes a purchase or signs up. And today I want to get into a niche you may not be familiar with. We've talked about a lot of products that help people make money online or get in shape, but this niche is just as profitable as any of those, and I'm going to reveal what that niche is and what offer I recommend promoting. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. You may have noticed that YouTube has like and subscribe buttons. Go ahead and hit both of those for me. I'm also interested in your thoughts on all things online business, so go ahead and leave a comment below. All right, let's get into it. The niche I'm sharing with you today is in the home and garden niche, where you can promote anything from garden tools to renovation leads. But today I want to share with you an offer I found on Clickbank that's absolutely crushing it right now and has been for quite some time. The offer is called Ted's Woodworking, which is filled with woodworking blueprints that are constantly updating. What's exciting about promoting this product is that you can earn 75% commissions on all of their products, which is really high in this industry. You can check it out for yourself by going to clickbank.com and creating a free account. After you've logged in, click on the marketplace icon on the left. Once you're in, search woodworking in the search bar at the top right. You may need to scroll down the page a little to find Ted's Woodworking. From what we can see here, the average commission value, in other words, the dollar amount that you would receive on average when a commission comes in, is $63.32. Clickbank also tells us the gravity score, which is an indication of how many times this specific offer has converted for other affiliates. For Ted's Woodworking, this score is an outrageous 122. If you were wanting to promote this specific offer, you'd click the promote button on the right, and Clickbank would give you what they call a hop link. This is just another name for an affiliate link, and it's the link you will be promoting in order to receive commissions. One thing I'll mention is that this offer may not be on Clickbank when you watch this video. If that's the case, go ahead and search for any other offer, one that has a good conversion amount and has a gravity score above 50. Okay, now that we've located an offer that we'd like to promote, it's time to build a funnel. We're going to build an affiliate funnel. I use a software called ClickFunnels, which allows me to quickly build those affiliate funnels out. But there's a quick breakdown of how affiliate funnels work. Typically, there's two parts. First, there's a landing page where you invite someone to give you their email address in exchange for a free gift that you either create or find. When you send traffic to a thank you page that allows people to claim the free gift, you'll also utilize this thank you page to introduce your paid offer, the one from Clickbank. You see why gathering these email addresses and building a list is so important later. But for now, just know this page is designed to build your email list. Since the offer we're promoting is in the woodworking niche, this could be a PDF guide or even a video training. Again, you don't need to be an expert or even create this for yourself. You could go to Fiverr and have someone make it for you, or a link that you can give to a YouTube video that you found helpful. Let's check out an example landing page that you can build using ClickFunnels. In this scenario, Ted's Woodworking actually provides you with the free gift to give out. It's an ebook called The 7 Deadly Mistakes of Woodworking, and they let you use it totally free to help you build your email list. A few things to note about this example's opt-in page. One, it's simple. There's no harsh colors screaming at you or a ton of pictures cluttering the page. Just a simple white background with a few sentences or text and a subscribe button. The button, number 2, it's a nice green color, not neon green, that has plenty of contrast with the background. It's crucial that you have contrast. It directs visitors' eyes to where you want them to click. Now let's look at an example of a thank you page. Once someone is opted into your email list, again, note the simplicity. We provide the visitor with a place to download the book we promised. We also invite them to learn more about our affiliate offer, which would be the Ted's Woodworking. As this cannot be stressed hard enough, I'll say it again, keep your opt-in pages and your thank you pages simple. So now that we have an offer, we have an affiliate funnel built, it's time to move to step 3. Step 3 is to follow up with email. This is one of the most important steps, email marketing. You've got to follow up with email. The old method of affiliate marketing was simply finding a product, sending traffic, getting a commission, and heading on your merry way. This was a one and done, one commission deal. Let's take Ted's Woodworking, for instance. The old method was just send traffic to your affiliate link for the offer and collect a commission that comes in. This really isn't a business. It's basically you just acting as a marketing agent. To build a long-term, profitable business, you need assets. And what's the most valuable asset you can own? Your email list. So when you are using sales funnels like the ones I've shown you, you are not only collecting commissions, but you're also gathering email subscribers. In addition to promoting Ted's Woodworking, you could become an affiliate of other woodworking products. For example, you could possibly look at things like aprons or tools. As you build your email list, you can start promoting all these different products. Without an email list, it's hard to make multiple commissions and see the success you want. If you take nothing else away from this video, here's what I want you to know. You need an email list to make multiple commissions. This is essential for long-term massive success. One thing that's helped me to learn the affiliate marketing process is partnering with a digital marketing expert who has been through different challenges and built a successful business. The specific program I recommend to everyone is called Partner with Anthony, created by Anthony Morrison. In this program, Anthony walks through how to set up a sales funnel and email marketing system. The focus of this program is building an email list, the core concept we've talked about today, and creating a way to earn multiple commissions from the same customer, some of which are recurring revenue. My belief is that affiliate marketers need recurring revenue streams to scale their business. The Partner with Anthony program has multiple recurring opportunities. It's a one-stop shop, an entire ecosystem. When you send traffic to it, it takes over and generates multiple commissions for you. The best part is, like you get to partner up with Anthony himself. And that's really important. He's the spokesman. He's the sales guy. He pitches and sells his products, and you get the commissions. That means there's no selling on your part. If this piques your interest at all, go ahead and click the link in the description below. It'll take a few minutes to check out and learn more. My guess is that if you've at least learned something new, that'll help you in your business. Now, again, the link is in the description. Click it and learn more. Lastly, I just want to thank you for watching today's video. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content on building a successful business online. We'll see you next time.